Ever tried connecting your bank to a cool new app, only to find out your bank isn't playing ball with Plaid? Don't worry, you're not alone, and I'm going to show you some simple workarounds. First, the obvious: double-check the spelling of your bank's name in the Plaid search bar. Sometimes a simple typo is the culprit. If it's spelled correctly and still doesn't show up, it means Plaid doesn't currently have a direct connection with your bank. Option number 1 is manual linking. Some apps offer a manual linking option, where you can enter your bank account and routing number directly. Be extra cautious here. Make sure the app is reputable and secure before sharing this sensitive information. Next, explore alternative services. Plaid isn't the only player in the game. Companies like Yodlee and Finicity offer similar services. Check if the app you're trying to use supports any of these alternatives. You might find that one of them connects to your bank. Finally, consider contacting your bank directly and requesting they integrate with Plaid or other data aggregators. The more customers that ask, the more likely they are to prioritize these integrations. Don't let a missing Plaid connection stop you. Remember these simple steps and you'll be able to connect your accounts in no time.